So how can you lower your Facebook ad spend? And we're going to be discussing that on this video because there's a lot of factor coming into that, and I'm going to be sharing with you the tool that just launched this October 1st that will definitely help you on your Facebook ad marketing. And before we go into the video, if this is your first time watching my video on this channel, welcome. I'm Millard Bredo from millardbredo.com, and on this channel I'll show you how to make money online, and I'll show you how to make money, passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income from home down in the description. Alright, so why is your Facebook ads cost is really high? The reason for that is because the way Facebook does their ads is that if you search for certain keywords, Facebook will blast your ads to a broad range of people, and depending on the money you put in, they will slowly expose your ads to a broad audience. Right now, the problem with that is because it's broad, it's not really targeted, it's not really people that are really narrowed down, niche down, or very interested on the topic itself. So that's why you're spending a lot of money and not really getting a lot of result because of your targeted keywords. Now, because Facebook is not really there to make you money, guys. They want to make money on their own, so they don't want you to they don't want to give you the tool to really just, when you search for a certain keyword, let's say affiliate marketing or you say weight loss, Facebook doesn't want it to be narrowed down because they want you to spend money first so that they can test out. They just wanted to test out first your ads on which type of people that are actually interested or clicking in your ads. But it's broad, it's too broad when you're starting out, and that's why people are spending a lot of money. Like, for example, they are spending like $10 per lead just because of that. Now, if you want to lower your costs like very dramatically, there's a product that I highly recommend you check it out. It just launched this October 1st, and it's called Adsight Pro. And what is that? It's a software that will let you give you a more narrowed down keywords based on the market that you're in, based on the ads that you are promoting. Now, if that is something you're interested in picking up, I'll be throwing in bonuses that will help you maximize the software. And if you click the link down in the description, these are my bonuses. You will be sent to this page, and you also see the demo video here on how the way Adsight Pro works. And my bonuses will be available until Friday, October 3rd. So hopefully you get a chance to pick this up, or bonuses will expire. My bonus #1 is how to set up Facebook Pixel. Now, this is a full tutorial where it will help you. Facebook Pixel is like when people come into your page, there's like a cookie that connects with them, right? And then that cookie follows them everywhere. So now Pixel will help you retarget the people because they just visited you. Now you can retarget them, and that way you can lower your cost on Facebook, right? Retargeting is always lower compared to just the regular broadcast. Then this is a full tutorial. My bonus #2 is a Facebook ads domination. Even if you're doing Facebook ads, I highly suggest you check this out. Maybe there's still things that you don't know, and this is really helpful for me when I was doing Facebook ads myself. Bonus #3 is how to put your affiliate link on your post. I don't want you to miss out on the organic way of promoting your link, especially if you're into affiliate marketing. There's a hack there that you can promote your link through Facebook. Now, Facebook doesn't like links going outside of Facebook. That's why this is a hack that I'm always using in order to put my link on Facebook post. My bonus #4 is the Facebook Ads Cloner. So this is a plugin that you can get in. So this is all exclusive to this bonus here. So what it does is that if you click there's a plugin here, and you click that, you can see all the ads on Facebook. Now, what that will help you model after or reverse engineer all those successful Facebook ads, right? So that's really awesome. And my bonus #5 is all the vendors bonuses. So these are the bonuses for the Facebook vendors. So they have social media toolkit that will help you about social media, social pop, the scarcity software help you. It's very important if you, especially if you're doing ads, you need to get the scarcity in there so that people will get that this they'll definitely make time to make a decisions. And also here consulting in minutes, it like if you have you can do this for local people that wants to be you can give you can make money as a consultant. And then there's a lot here, 50 high quality backgrounds, video backgrounds. If you're doing yes, definitely if you're doing ads, you need awesome videos to make that. Live chat, if people visit your page, now they can see a chat here that they can see that if you get support. Graphics, yes, you need that for your ads. And there's a lot. So these are the vendors bonuses, so this will be on top of my bonuses here. And if you click the link down in the description, you can see this here. And if anytime you want to buy Adsight Pro, you can just click this link here and then you will be sent to the sales page. Now coming back here on the sales page, and again, there's a demo video here, but basically I just explained everything. It's just the way it works, right? It's just gonna narrow down, because you can see here that the old way of targeting people is to start competing, and that's, guys, though, competition for the same keyword. So it's a very broad keyword, and a lot of people are competing against that keyword. Now you're gonna be going against people that has a lot of money compared to you. Now that will that's not gonna help you in any way, right? So that's the old way of targeting. Now this is the advantage for you if you are gonna use this tool that is a software. Now you have an advantage against all these people, because now you can, that's like this one, you can remove the guesswork. There's no more split testing, because that's the way Facebook works. It's you have to split test everything, but then this is already gonna help you out, guys. So currently there's a promo that you can get, and it's gonna have $10 off if you use this coupon here, Adsight 10. And just give this time, I will you can check this out, the sales page. Basically that's it. That's the easy way to put in is to give you a lot of targeted keywords that are really targeted based on the behaviors and the interest. So you won't get this kind of data on the Facebook ad manager. That's why I really if you're doing Facebook ads, I really recommend you to try this out and see also the demo video here. I'm gonna be making another video, just the demo video here, but at least now on this video you can see all the bonuses that you could get if you decide to purchase Adsight Pro through my link. Alright, guys, so again, the price currently is $24, but if you get the commercial license, which means that you can use this for other clients, so you can make money by doing Facebook ads for other people, so like a Facebook ads manager yourself. So right now it's $37, but if you get this coupon right now, you can get this $10 off, so that would be like almost the regular software here. Alright, guys, so again, I really hope they get value from this video, and I highly encourage you to get the Adsight Pro. There hasn't been a software like this before, so if you are interested, just pick it up, try it out for 30 days, right, and see if this works for you. And I really I know the developer, and they're really good. They know their stuff about Facebook ads, and this will be really helpful if you decide to do Facebook ads. Alright, guys, so if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. And again, if you have value, or if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching this video. May there bread here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.